po ako mayroong kulitan habang hihintay natin ang pagbabalik Pilipinas ng... Yes! That's my duo, man! Woo! May message ka ba for the Blues, brother? Mawari na tagingan! I just wanna say hello po sa inyong lahat. And to Beanie, happy anniversary and welcome back home, Beanie!
Congratulations again. Just proceed to Coral Way next.
Come chaser. So everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world changes. I got fire in the blood. Ooh, no, you won't catch me holding up for a miracle. I'm right here, never nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always thinking about the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always do it better. Keep playing the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Ain't no one gonna give it to you. Gotta grab it before it goes. Even if it falls to ruins, I never give it to you. Pain, it ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world changes. I got fire in the blood. I know you won't catch me holding up for a miracle. I'm right here, I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always do it better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. 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 Yeah, got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding up for a miracle. We were never on the lose. I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always do it better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Zero pressure, zero pressure, zero diamonds.
Mark, we're very grateful.
Yan. Paano yun?
Thank you!
Ako yung inatasan dito sa Houston. Eh, hindi po ako...
Di, paano ba yun? Pwede bang sample?
Uy,
Okay lang. Okay, gusto niyo mo marinig? Okay. Ilan, paano yun?
Philippines. Sino ba Philippines? Di ubo man ko. Di ubo. Philippines! Grabe! Wait lang. To each other, right, John? Kaya naman hanggang nandyan kayo, Gloops, nandito lang kami. Lahat ng to sa ating nagpapatibay.
Please stay right here in the middle. Yes? Okay, your question is.
So, Aya, your question is from Jan Michael S. Ibo. Welcome home, our walo. Ano sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo ang balak nyong balikan na magkakasama kayo?
Thank you for the question. Of all the places that we've been to, of course, it would be nice to go back to all of the places, cities or states. But for me personally, I would want to go back to Vancouver because that's where I get to run and knowing that that's my love language and I would want to give that to the girls. Then hopefully, they would join me in running.
Wow! Masado ba ang sagot, Milo?
Pasado yan. Kasama natin si Bini Mika. Ernie Velasquez, syempre may mga natry kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit-ulit nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80 and ribs and chips and I thank you.
Masado.
Pasado. Kaya
On behalf of our humble, let's call in Bini Gwen! Bini Gwen, your question is this.
From Nicola Ruth Matreo Papera. Can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised?
Kanina pa mga nag-rehearse.
to answer our next question. Iwangin na natin. Bini
Our next
Joanna.
candidate, Bini
Joanna!
Grabe ka naman, Masters!
Grabe si Master.
Bini Malone.
I need an interpreter, please. Interpreter.
Interpreter. Milo can be our interpreter.
Randomizer.
Of Macolet. Bini Malone. Bini Malone.
Nakamadali.
Dawagin na natin our next candidate, Bini Sheena. Wonder. Actually, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat paghataw mo, binibigay mo ng buong. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Sheena.
Bini Sheena.
And last but not the least, Stockton fans, sumigaw para sa ating lead candidate, Bini Spicy!
with your feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Pop for rock and drop, we'll get gone head to the right and left for it. Rotate the body, go put it away. Oh my gosh, who comes down first? Now do my dance, now do my dance, now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance. Now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance. She stomp and clap, she stomp and clap and jump. I bet you can't keep up, nah, I bet you can't keep up. I rock, she rock and snap the lean. I bet you won't be me, nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me shiny, 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 shiny. Do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can do my dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can do your dance.
Sorry, Blooms, may nagsingasin. Oh, content is anything. 5, 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for coming here today. Thank you sa love, sa effort, sa energy, and sa support na binigay niyo sa aming Bini. And katulad ng sinasabi namin na you are all seen and heard. Naririnig namin kayo, nakikita namin kayong lahat. And I hope itong pagmamahal na to is panghawakan natin hanggang dulo. We love you, Blooms! Thank you.
Sama sa'yo? Six.
Hi, Blooms! Thank you so much for today. Namiss natin kayo, sobra. Thank you, let's support thank you for the warm welcome. We love you all! Ay, thank you, Abby! Blooms, we love you!
And six. Ay.
Daghang salamat sa inyo tanan, sa mga Bisaya na pinali. Thank you so much. Sa inyo lahat, thank you sa effort nyo and sobrang suporta ko sa amin. We hope na no matter where we are, Philippines or outside the Philippines, the love and support will always be there. Thank you, Blooms.
Thanks, Aya. Ready?
Marahil na banggi sa ikang kabos. Nakulaot na pasasalamat sa kabos, sa suporta, sa pagpadaba sa muya. Thank you for the trust and support. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Red. John.
Hi, Blooms! Thank you so much! Thank you so much kasi kayo yung number 1 protectors namin. Patuloy na lagi yung sinasabi natin, choose your battles and focus on what matters, Blooms. We love you! Thank you, Blooms! I still can't believe meron pa rin kaming ganito kadaming Blooms. Thank you po for coming today. Thank you for coming today. And kahit na isa lang or 100 or thousands kayo nanonood, we promise to always give our best and show excellence. So thank you so much, Blooms, for staying and for supporting us. Thank you, Blooms! We love you! I love you!
We love you. Mika.
Thank you so much, Blooms. We appreciate your efforts. And I know it's not easy being a Bloom, and like I've said before, I hope you guys just enjoy being a Bloom while you still are. And yeah, let's use all that effort just into positivity and not into negativity.
Thanks, Mix. Correct.
Thank you, Blooms! Hindi namin nakalain na ganito tayo kadami. And meron pa pala kaming uuwian. And salamat sa support niyo. And before tayo umalis, panadalinin natin malinis ang lugar. And mag-ingat tayo pag-uwi. Thank you!
What a memorable day.